Hi everyone. Today we are continuing the previous topic, linear transformations. Here see this question. Let V be the vector space C2 with scalar multiplication over the real numbers R, and let T from V tends to V be the mapping defined by transformation of Z1 Z2 is equal to Z1 minus Z2, Z2 minus Z2. See the conditions. First one is show that T is a linear operator, and the second one is find a basis for n of T, and the third one is find a basis for R of T. Solution. Let Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4 belongs to V and A belongs to R, where A is a real number. And transformation of Z1 Z2 plus Z3 Z4 is equal to transformation of Z1 Z3 plus Z2 Z4. That value is equal to Z1 plus Z3 minus Z2 plus Z4, and second one is Z2 plus Z4 minus Z2 plus Z4. That is equal to Z1 plus Z3 minus Z2 minus Z4, and the second one is Z2 plus Z4 minus Z2 minus Z4. It is equal to Z1 minus Z2, Z2 minus Z2 plus Z3 minus Z4, Z4 minus Z4. That value is equal to transformation of Z1 comma Z2 plus transformation of Z3 comma Z4. And see the second condition. Transformation of A of Z1 Z2 is equal to multiply by the scalar. That is equal to transformation of AZ1 comma AZ2. That is equal to AZ1 minus AZ2 comma AZ2 minus AZ2. AZ1 minus AZ2 and AZ2 minus AZ2 where A is a real number. Now common the term A of Z1 minus Z2 comma Z2 minus Z2. That is equal to small a into transformation of Z1 Z2. Since both these conditions are satisfied, T is a linear operator. After that, you have to apply the conditions for basis for n of T and the basis for R of T. You have learned these topics in previous videos. Row and column vectors in a 2 by 3 matrix. That A is equal to 2, 1, 0, and the second row is 3, minus 1, 4. The row vectors of A are R1 is equal to 2, 1, 0, and R2 is equal to 3, minus 1, 4. And the column vectors of A are C1 is equal to 2, 3, and the second column C2 is equal to 1, minus 1, and the third column C3 is equal to 0, 4. The sum of rank and nullity. The matrix A is equal to minus 1, 2, 0, 4, 5, minus 3, 3, minus 7, 2, 0, 1, 4, 2, minus 5, 2, 4, 6, 1, and 4, minus 9, 2, minus 4, 7. Has 6 columns. So rank of A plus nullity of A is equal to 6. This is consistent, where we show that rank of A is equal to 2 and nullity of A is equal to 4. This is the sum of rank and nullity. Basis for null space. Find a basis for the null space of A is equal to 2, 2, minus 1, 0, 1. And the second row is minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 1. And the third row is 1, 1 minus 2, 0, minus 1. And the last row, that is fourth row, is 0, 0, 1, 1. See the solution. The null space of A is the solution space of the homogeneous system 2x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 plus x5 is equal to 0. And the second row minus x1 minus x2 plus 2x3 minus 3x4 plus x5 is equal to 0. In the third row x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 minus x5 is equal to 0. And the last one is x3 plus x4 plus x5 is equal to 0. After solution, we find the vectors. v1 is equal to minus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And v2 is equal to minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Form a basis for this space. Basis for row and column spaces. The matrix R is equal to 1 minus 2 5 0 3 0 1 3 0 0 0 0 0 1 0, and the last row contains all the elements are zeros, that is 0 0 0 0 0. In a row echelon form, first row is R1 is equal to 1 minus 2 5 0 3, and the second row is R2 is equal to 0 1 3 0 0, and the last row R3 is 0 0 0 1 0. Form a basis for the row space of R and the vectors C1 is equal to 1 0 0 0, and the second column C2 is equal to minus 2 1 0 0, and C4 is equal to 0 0 1 0. Form a basis for the column space of R. Basis for a vector space using row operations. Find a basis for the space spanned by the vectors v1 is equal to 1 minus 2 0 0 3, and the second vector v2 is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 6, and the third vector v3 is equal to 0 5 15 10 0, and the last vector v4 is equal to 2 6 18 8 6. Solution. Except for a variation in notation, the space spanned by these vectors is row space of the matrix 1 minus 2 0 0 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 6, 0 5 15 10 0, and the last one is 2 6 18 8 6. Reducing this matrix to row echelon form, we obtain 1 minus 2 0 0 3 0 1 3 2 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Basis for a vector space using row operations. The non-zero row vectors in this matrix are w1 is equal to 1 minus 2 0 0 3, and w2 is equal to 0 1 3 2 0, and the last one w3 is equal to 0 0 1 1 0. These vectors form a basis for the row space and consequently form a basis for the subspace of R5 spanned by v1, v2, v3 and v4. Basis for the row space of a matrix. Find a basis for the row space of A is equal to 1 minus 2 0 0 3, 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 6, and the third row is 0 5 15 10 0, and the last row 2 6 80 8 6, consisting entirely of row vectors form A. Solution. Transposing A yields A transpose is equal to 1 2 0 2, minus 2 minus 5 5 6, 0 minus 3 15 18, 0 minus 2 10 8. Basis for the row space of a matrix. Reducing this matrix to row echelon form yields 1 2 0 2, 0 1 5 minus 10, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 0, and the last row 0 0 0 0. The first, second and fourth columns contain the leading ones. So the corresponding column vectors in A transpose form a basis for the column space of C1 is equal to 1 minus 2 0 0 3, and the second column C2 is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 6, and C4 is equal to 2 6 18 8 6. Transposing again, the adjusting the notation appropriately yields R1 is equal to 1 minus 2 0 0 3, R2 is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 6, and R3 is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 6 for the row space of A. Thank you.